Okay, so today you're joining me in, once again, the Peugeot that we saw in the last video. And today we are actually going to a car meet. So I'm going on the way to meet up with some of my friends on a gas station. And then we are headed down to Istria to some small little car meet. And we'll see where it takes us. We'll see what's going on there. Yeah, just a quick Sunday trip. It's like an hour from where I live, so that's not that big of a deal. And we got, I think altogether we got 4 cars that are going. We got this Peugeot, we got a BMW 120 diesel, it's an E82 I think. We got a Toyota Yaris, the older one, has some modifications to it, and we have a Mazda 3 that's joining us, so that's gonna be fun. I have a setup on the rear window of this car to put the GoPro on to try and record some rolling shots, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see where it takes us. So yeah, hope you will enjoy this one, and I'll meet you at the meet. Okay, we are nearing the gas station that we are meeting up at, so yeah, once we get there, I'm probably gonna swap this camera out to put it on the back of the car, and we'll see where it takes us, where it goes, how we do it. We'll see how that video turns out. You will see it no matter what, so that doesn't matter really much. Also, I got the media mod. I'm guessing you can tell by the difference in the audio, since I can hear the difference already, even while watching low-res previews. So yeah, we are getting passed by a nice BMW. So we are approaching the gas station in 900 meters. And I don't think anybody will be there. I'm like 15 minutes early. But we'll see. I just don't know if I should park on the gas station or behind it. Also, the weather seems to be clearing up a little bit, so we should have a nice small town meet. We'll see how that goes, so see you there. Okay, yeah, so that's over with. We weren't for too long, we were for like 2 hours. Mostly Alfa Romeos, as you saw in the quick video, so nothing too special. I mean, yeah, it was decent. It was good enough. Honestly, I like those smaller meets. More of a hangout session than anything else. It was fun enough. It was good enough. Couldn't record much. We were actually, while flying the drone, I actually was playing with some kids. Like some kids were chasing the drone, so that was fun. Yeah, it was good. Anyways, on our way back home, everybody went their ways. We got one person who took the old scenic route. We have one person who went to see some family close by, and we have one person who left early. So yeah, and I'm just headed down the highway, and actually it's pretty nice. It's a nice view. It's been a long time since I just went for a drive, not going to work, not going anywhere specifically. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and hope the microphone is doing good. Yeah, the media mod is here, the lav mic is here, so we can actually start recording some good audio for a change. I mean, not that the GoPro Hero 13 black like microphone and the built-in one, it's actually pretty decent, but hey, this is a little bit better, so I like it. Yeah, nice view, nice road. I'm just sad that it's not my car that I'm driving. I'm not in my car. That's the only thing I'm pissed about. But hey, you cannot have all your cars at the same time. Freaking hell. One is waiting for a new gearbox, and 2 of them are at the body shop. So that's awesome. Don't know how long I'll be driving this one. Probably a couple more days until the Audi comes back from the body shop. So once that comes back, you'll have videos in that car as well. You will finally see the car that started it all. Yeah, the car that started the car journey for me and for a few people that I know, actually. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Hope the drone footage turned out well. I still have not seen it. And see you in the next one. You can, somewhere on the screen there should be a link to the previous video. Of course, feel free to subscribe, leave a like. You can follow my Instagram down in the description, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time.